Real potatoes. Real crunch.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how crispy potato chips are made, step by step.
Hold the line, we've got a jam up here.
All right, stopping the flow now.
Before production begins, every potato is tested for freshness and quality.
We have an alert on the wash cycles.
Noted. I'm initiating the override sequence.
Excess starch is removed to ensure even frying and crunch.
Precision-controlled frying delivers the perfect crunch. Rapid cooling locks in flavor and crispness.
Finally, our signature packaging is applied.
Every batch passes a final human quality check.
And that's how crispy potato chips are made. Du chao, from start to finish. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.